Hey guys, it's TheCurlySage. Welcome back to another video. Sorry if you guys can hear a fan. My room is very hot right now. I'm going to be doing a bikini try-on haul. I haven't done one in a very long time. I'm going to be showing you guys some bikinis I got from Cupshe. So I have this package right here, and I've already tried all of these on, and they are very, very nice, but some of them just don't fit me well. Like, I don't know if there's any place that does this, but bikinis really need to have an option where you can order like a small top and a medium bottom, or a large top and a small bottom, or medium and large top. Like, there should be like an option where you can mix and match, because if I could do that, I would probably need to get like a small or medium, probably a medium top and a large bottom, because I got all of these in medium and then some of them just didn't fit me on the bottom, so yeah. So they come in these cute little bags, and the first one is just this like knit bikini, and people in the reviews are saying that it's really cute, but it's more for like sunbathing. It's not really for swimming. But this is what it looks like. Very cute. I don't remember how this one fit me, but it is cute. I also really like bikini tops that have like adjustable backs where you can tighten it and tie it yourself, because you can make it how tight you want. So the next one I got is this extremely cute suede one, and I wish this fit me like amazing because it's so cute. I love the suede of it, but it doesn't fit me all that great. From what I remember, I think the top is a bit too small. That's what it looks like. It's really, really, really cute. And again, I got all of these in a medium. So the next one I got is like this one-piece one. I actually really like this one, but from what I can remember, I think it like cuts in a bit too much in like the booty. But it's a one-piece, but it also has like this area in the midsection where you can see your stomach. So it's kind of like a bikini one-piece kind of thing, but I really like it. All of the ones that aren't adjustable on the back have this really cool mechanism for like the bikini top part. You just slide, you just like slide it in, and then it locks like that. It's pretty cool. The next one I got is a two-piece, so it looks like that. That is the top part, and it has like that same kind of mechanism I just showed you. It kind of took me a bit to figure it out, but it's actually really cool, and it makes you feel very secure. Like you don't have to worry about it coming undone while you're wearing it. It's just cool. I don't know, I like it. I've never seen this kind of thing before. And these are what the bottoms look like. I don't wear like cheeky bottoms. I'm not trying to wear like a thong to the pool or beach, so I always get full bottoms. And these are very well made, I must say. It's just, I wish like all of them fit me like perfectly, because they're actually all very cute. And I've just realized I've actually never done a try-on haul like this before. I usually like just do try and haul and do a voiceover, but I just decided to do something a bit different. But this is the next one. It's like a two-piece again. It's all black, but has this like really nice white stitching all across it. And this is what the top looks like, the same kind of white stitching. That's the back. So all of the ones that have like, oh wait, this one is different. So this one has a different kind of like clasp. You just like hook it into this material. I like it. Like I'd be fine to wear this, but I prefer the other kind because it just feels more like secure. But this is by far like one of the favorites that I got. I don't remember how it fits. I think this one fit okay. I don't remember, but just like the way it looks is one of my favorites. This is the next one. I'm in love with the color of it, and the back is very like confusing. Like it's like one of those crisscross backs. You'll see it more in like the video on the side, but that's what it looks like. It's a one piece, but the back is like really low. I really like this one. And all of the ones where like it doesn't, because majority of like all the ones where it doesn't fit me properly, like majority of the problem is that my butt is too big for them, so they just like cut in too much, or like they ride too low, because I just need like a large bottom because I have a small waist and then a big butt, so it's a blessing and a curse. But for all of those ones, I will probably just wear like one of those bikini cover-up skirts around them, and I might get away with that. But that's this one. It's like ribbed, and this one's really cute. I love the color of it. And this next one was like my favorite. When I was on the site, I'm just like, I need to get that one, but I don't think it fit me that well from what I can remember. I tried these on like maybe 2 weeks ago, and this is what it looks like. I just wanted one of like those tube top kind of ones, and it has straps on it though, but I just love like the ruffles. But that's what it looks like. That's the top. I don't remember how this one fit me. I think it was, I can't remember, but you guys are obviously seeing in the video on the side. These are the bottoms, and these are also another favorite of mine, is where you can like adjust the side and tie it to like the tightness you want. But if you have a bikini that's like this, just make sure that you double tie that because you don't want any kind of accident happening. So this is the last one I got. I must say that their packaging is really cute. So this is what it looks like. It's just like this black like patterned bikini. It has that same locking. I'm like a big fan of this like locking thing. It just makes you feel like very secure and you can run and not have to worry about anything happening. But that's what the top looks like. It has a bit of ruffles and the bottom also has some ruffles going on. So just looking at it, from what I can remember, I don't think this fits me well. I'm just guessing because majority of them that I tried on were just a bit too small for like my bottom half. But that's what it looks like. Those are all of the bikinis that I got. I must say that they are very well made. Like I can tell by the material, it feels really sturdy and it just feels like high quality. I just wish that they fit better. So if you're planning to order from them, if you're petite, you should be completely fine. If you're more on the curvy side, I would recommend ordering a large. Like if you have a big butt, I'd probably order like any bikini that has adjustable like back where you like tie the back yourself and tighten it. I would recommend getting a large because then you can just like tighten it by how much you want. So that's what I would do in the future. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, it's TheCurlySage signing out. Peace.